back to Glorious and Brasia Kitchen. I just share my Mobi Biara Aquaba. And then your baba as simple as Fatwa Sumame. Always your baba drink or freno, mocktail. You are so simple and refreshing. I think so. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and thumbs up for your sister. Love you all. Nyama yeri use for your mocktail nini. Watermelon, tangerine, orange, lemon, and sparkling water. Do you know what song so? Red sugar. And I may sugar na me no mo yen. Na no so ni. Say video no wo hunting. You bet me I have colors of it. Yeah, colors in ebony. And I'm all green. You can watch on my channel. And thanks for your support, Madam Nasi. Both new and old. Na what the ankai afawo nano. Inti now the anka afawo glass nano. I don't never help it. Oops. Okay. This is in here back red. Okay. Come on. Okay. Tiano so I come up. Yeah. Offending. Mint. Mint na me digum no betumi a chop it. Betumi at it fast. Let's go. Now me okay. Tangerine any a squeezy. Yeah, she be a good answer. Okay, now everything orange, lemon, seedless, and seed in it. Sparkling water. Maybe the all ice at summer. No neck. What's here for? You're drinking. I am fine. I come. Inti say open sa with the ice and suguma. Then there. Where you ice cube where there akoma. Now I enjoy the camera. In the joy, I so. Akoma papa view. Tiwonuma na ekọ wakoma ho se boko. Akoma no said ya tibia no e bofum se aboko ahodwo. Wa she. Na wonum we a wo hu ne say. Yebi na fa kulo ho. E hu hia so dey asibegum. Wo pe ice nso na dey gum. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. Love you and thank you.